Welcome to Garnet and Gold Grub, presented by Tico Peoples Gas. I'm Chef Mike Smith, and with us today we have CY, basketball coach, Florida State University. CY, how you doing today? Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Excited to be here. It's my rookie season in the kitchen, so take it easy on me.
Okay, I will. We're going to do a real simple thing that we like to do for tailgating. We're going to make some fresh grouper sliders, and we're going to use some cheddar cheese to top them with. So CY, what we've got today is we've got some fresh grouper. Very important that it's fresh. We're going to use a seasoning. You could use a Cajun seasoning, whatever you like. This is just salt, pepper, garlic. We're going to season the fish with that. We're going to grill the fish on this natural gas grill we've got over here.
So now tell me, before you get going, why do you like natural gas?
I like natural gas because it cooks very evenly, especially on a grill like this. You know, you want to have control of your heat, which we do, and you want to have even control of the heat, and that's why I like natural gas. So I'm just going to place them on the grill, okay, and we're going to let those cook probably about 4 or 5 minutes on each side until done, until they're flaky. So we're going to remove a couple of these fillets from the grill. While that last one's finishing up, I'm kind of just going to give these buns a real quick toast. Okay, so we got all our bottoms down, and we're going to use this sauce, which this is a banana pepper aioli. You could use tartar sauce, you could use whatever you want, but it's got a lot of good flavors to it. So now we're just going to assemble them. I just like to use a piece of fish, and I also got some cheddar cheese we can put on there as well, and you got some grouper sliders for tailgating. So you want to give one a shot?
I'll be the first.
Slam dunk. Glad you like it. So that's fresh grouper sliders, tailgate food. CY, thanks for the help. I appreciate it. You can have all those, take them home.
Appreciate it.
Thanks again. For more information about this and other recipes, as well as Peoples Gas energy conservation rebates, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.